Let's go over advance notice and how to prevent last-minute bookings. With advance notice, you decide how much time you need between now and the next available booking. This is important because it gives you greater control over your schedule, helps reduce those last-minute requests, and ensures you have enough time to prepare and travel or manage your day effectively. So for example, if you set advance notice of 4 hours, clients will only be able to book appointments starting 4 hours from now and beyond. Any earlier time slots will be unavailable for booking. So here's how to set up advance notice. From your Bookme dashboard, you can hover over the service that you want to adjust and select the 3 little dots. From there, you can click Edit, open the Schedule tab underneath the service, and scroll down. Here where it says Need to Prevent Last-Minute Bookings, you can select Require Advance Notice and select how much advance notice you would like. So if you want an hour advance notice, you can type in 60 minutes, and that's going to set your advance notice to 60 minutes for this service. You select Save Changes, and that's it. So once that's enabled, customers are only going to see time slots that meet that required notice, and your calendar is going to stay protected without you manually intervening. What we recommend here is for short services, doing 30 to 60 minutes of notice. If you have to travel or if it's in person, doing 1 to 4 hours of notice. And if you have high prep or premium services, doing 24 hours or more.